I'm not offering you a 21-day challenge, no 90-day transformation plan, no motivational speech designed to make you feel good for an hour, then forgotten by morning.
Today, you receive a 24-hour reset protocol, one that recalibrates your mind, your energy, and your life's trajectory. But understand this is not for consumers. This is for those willing to face themselves for a single day without flinching. Your life isn't stagnant because you lack strength. Your life is stagnant because you've been lying to yourself. Today, we fix that. Step 1. Designate one day, 24 hours. During this period, the device stays off. No scrolling, no streaming, no digital anesthesia. Just you and the machinery inside your skull. Accept this now. The day will feel unbearable. Your nervous system will demand stimulation. You'll rationalize. Just one notification, one message. That moment is the test, because when the noise ceases, what you've been avoiding surfaces. The thoughts, the feelings, the truth you bury under distraction. Step 2. Stand before the mirror. No soundtrack, no affirmations, just observation. Ask yourself one question. What am I pretending to become? The answer doesn't require words. It requires feeling. The discomfort you experience reveals where you've compromised your truth. Until you stop deceiving yourself, no system or strategy will generate results. This is the foundation. Step 3. Document the one thing you know you're avoiding, the habit you ignore, the decision you postpone indefinitely. Write it down. Pause the transmission. In the comments, complete this statement. I am avoiding. Example, I am avoiding my discipline protocol. I am avoiding the difficult conversation. This doesn't solve the problem, but acknowledgement ends denial, and denial is the barrier to transformation. Step 4. Initiate a 60-minute recalibration sequence. 3 phases, 20 minutes each. First phase, body activation, movement of any form, walking, push-ups, stair climbs. Perfection is irrelevant. Motion is the objective. Second phase, mental purge. Write everything circulating in your system. Anxiety, anger, confusion, fear. Externalize it. This creates mental capacity. Final phase, stillness. No device, no performance, no agenda. Simply exist. In this silence, you'll recognize the truth. You're not overwhelmed. You're fragmented. Clarity emerges from integration. Step 5. 21 hours. Return to the mirror. No questions this time. No motivation. Say this. Today, I did not run. Not a perfect day. A real day. Most people never experience a single real day in their entire existence. One day will not repair your entire life, but one day connects you to your authentic self. And once that connection is established, direction clarifies automatically. If this protocol has activated something within you, don't scroll. Choose your day. Execute immediately. Evolve or repeat.